Well, our AC went out yesterday and we've been having some issues with the fan not working. Daniel's been trying to fix it. It is currently 84 degrees in here. It's hot. We have a fan in the window trying to bring some cool air in, but when it's gonna be 100 plus outside, just doesn't keep it cool. AC guy's coming this afternoon. Hopefully we will have some cool air tonight. Unfortunately, the AC guy couldn't get the part today. As the temperature continued to rise, we had to do something. We went to Costco and purchased this freestanding AC unit. Since the family room was the only room in the house that was partially cool, we decided to sleep down there. Upstairs, the temperature kept rising. Saturday, we took the party to Audrey's house.
Yes, I know.
Okay, here we go. Okay, ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Audrey. Happy birthday to you.
You actually let me, Audrey. Thank you.
What a jerk.
Light it again so Audrey can blow them out.
I even told Ashley. Ashley could have just said it.
No, you didn't say anything to me.
Yes, I did.
No, all I seen was your butt in my face.
So what do you do when it's 100 plus degrees and your AC is out?
Go to the Bay Area.
You head for cooler temperatures. So we are in the van headed for the coast, somewhere around Frisco area.
And put our feet in the water, maybe.
Don't know where we're gonna end up,
The beach.
but somewhere where it's not 105 or 106, whatever it's supposed to be
beach there.
today.
Yeah.
There's John.
Can we go to the beach there, Mom?
I see Rissa, Amada, Alex.
What? Find out.
Sun's out, fun's out. James is sitting in front with Dad.
What is this?
We happened to pass Six Flags Discovery Kingdom.
Why would you even drive past there?
Can you see all those kites?
I think it's kite day.
Tunnel!
What?
He's holding his breath. Can you do it? There's the Golden Gate Bridge.
Oh, is that like a cafe? That's my fear, dropping my phone into a body of water.
Don't drop your phone.
Wow. Daddy, don't look.
Mother, how about you look? Mom, look how high we are. I'm already looking at. Go in there.
It can take off and land in the water. How windy it is. Of this road, and we'll be at Stinson Beach.
Oh, thank God. I'm paying a penny.
Daddy loves this.
How many turns is this?
A lot. 8 more miles.
Did you guys see the baby deer?
Mm-hmm. Can we go to that beach?
I don't know, maybe we will.
So we're going to live right there?
No.
Oh my god. Let's go to the beach.
See all those people?
Let's go to the beach. Let's
Okay, so we ended up not being able to go to the beach. There was no parking anywhere. It was so crowded. We sat in like 20 minutes worth of traffic, basically, just to get to a point where we could turn out and turn around. And we're headed back into San Francisco to see if we can find something else to
And
do.
guys,
Eat, go to the bathroom.
Alex almost got sick.
Yeah, Alex does not like these windy roads.
Can you throw this away from me?
So I gave him the motion sickness bracelet and put him in the
I'm
front.
playing Starfall.
Yeah, Starfall.
She's got pressure back up.
What's that? What? What's this?
We're going all the way down there?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Let's even flag the circuits bringing this creature.
Mommy!
Yeah.
There's not enough charge.
Mommy! Woo! Woo!
I'm gonna be able to jump start it. It's gonna be under the line, so I'm in position.
Whee!
The mother box is ready. You have to charge it the moment it touches the fluid.
Here's John trying to do 13 body curls here in San Francisco. I don't know what park this is.
I go like this? Dad.
You got to keep your legs straight.
Oh, yeah, I do.
Yeah, keep them straight all the time. There you go.
Take a video on me.
I will, Joey. Hold
Down
on.
for me.
Go.
That was one.
All the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. Keep going.
Okay,
Keep 'em-
That's good.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing?
Running up and doing it.
Okay, ready, go.
Go. Oh, sorry, Dad.
Okay, that's not what you're supposed to do though.
Now try. It really hurts your core. It hurts, John.
That's as far as I can go. All the way, all the way, all the way, all the way.
That one's easy. Probably. John, let me try. Try me. James, can I try? Two. Can I try? My turn.
Okay, mother.
You're not letting me try.
Hold on.
Joey's just sliding down it.
You're gonna be so sore tomorrow.
Do the one that's steeper.
No.
He tried it. He tried it. Straight, John. Keep your legs straight the whole time. Keep them straight. There you go. Keep them straight.
What was that?
Look at Amada.
Keep them straight. You gotta keep them straight.
This ready?
Oh, of course, as soon as I said, look at Amada.
Lift it. Here, I'll help you a little bit. Ready?
That is so hard.
Okay, now go. Go, lift them up.
Doesn't have any abs.
Here.
Daddy will help you.
Let me show you. Can I do this, please?
Come on, then join
So as you can hear and see, our air conditioner is fixed. Hallelujah. Last night we all got to sleep in our own beds and finally got the house cooled off enough. I had laundry that was piling up upstairs because I couldn't even stand to be up there to fold it. Anyway, getting the kids ready to start school next week. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to click the like button or subscribe so you don't miss more videos. You can also follow us on Instagram or Twitter or visit our blog, diverginglives.com.